Alright, what's going on, guys? We're playing a claw machine and it's got cold hard cash in it. Let's see if we can win some dough here. We're gonna go for these rolls. Hopefully they're gettable. Oh, look at that. First try. Oh man. That was so close. Let's see, let's try again. Try right there. Ooh, maybe. Oh no. Oh, really? Oh my gosh, that was crazy. Probably got the most cash in it too. Oh yes, stay in there. Oh my gosh, what the heck? Alright. Oh my gosh, stay in there. Nice, we got it. Our first roll of cash. Heck yeah. So right there. Oh, look at that. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I almost had a flat dollar and a rolled up dollar. Oh yes, that looks good. Stay in there. Oh my gosh. Let's try that right there. Oh, stay in there. Come on. Come on. Oh my god, these like... It's like they know it. It's like they know when to fall. I don't know about these little ones. Yeah. Just roll small. Nope. Oh, nice. Stay in there. Nice. We got it. Another roll. I feel like this one is just kind of gone. Yeah. Oh, man. Never mind. Come on, baby. Oh, I might be gettable now, though. Oh my gosh. Yes, that's so perfect. And I got a rock. Oh, just kidding. The money's more important though. Nice. Oh, I knocked it down. Nice. Let's see if we can win this. Oh my gosh. No way. Oh man. Gosh dang it. Alright, last try. Oh, last try. Oh man. Alright, so here's all the cash. I'm gonna do some shopping. But as always, links are in the description. Twitter, Instagram, Snapchat. I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.